The highest paid player? What would you do if you got paid like him?
Buy a bunch of cocaine and hug you.
What would you do?
Not that.
I'll give you $100 if you run on the field.
That is not worth $100. I'm still gotta pay my bail.
Oh, dude, we should try to get on the jumbotron. Noel, start waving, start waving. How did you wave? That's not gonna get the camera's attention.
You're scaring it away.
See your monkey?
Stop making fun of my monkey.
Why does he have a mustache?
Because he's growing.
Ready? Chug it.
Let me warm up.
You didn't throw up on the way home. You tell me. I'm pulling over. I'm pulling. Turn. There you go. Backfiring.
I got a brain freeze.
I'm gonna keep the camera on Mike because we've been getting a little intense.
You big win! God, please, you're gonna hit Thomas whenever you kiss me. I'm sorry, I took that back. That's a lot. What's up?
This is how orientation at Sonics looks like.
Oh, the guinea pig. Oh. I'm sorry. Never mind.
I'm gonna cry.
Look at this one. Oh my God.
Look at the white one.
Look at him. I thought, yes. The other day, my friend Carlos had a job interview. You know what he showed up with?
What?
A fucking football jersey, dude. Why'd you show up with a football jersey?
He doesn't like to work. Well, I'm gonna be a fucking security guard, do not fucking secretary, right?
What jersey? What the?
The 49er one, dude. This one. Oh my. Dude, I should have showed up in my fucking prom tux, dude.
Does it even fit?
I don't think so.
Dude, you know what we should get? 4 Locos.
Fuck you. I'm the one.
1, 2.
I don't know about 2.
Remember that time I chugged that shit and I drank 3 beers, dude?
Bro, this was throwing up at my work, dude. At my work. And then my boss came, dude, later on.
That was a bio puke.
I'm gonna save all the good stuff for later.
Damn, dude, you came all decked out.
My fucking nephew gave it to me, like, wear it. Oh, alright, yeah.
Lies, you know you had that in your closet.
For real, dude. Mike picked it out and everything. He's claiming his nephew.
Freaks on the sheet, that's what they call me. Little red devil. They also call me the Tasmanian cyclone. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh.
A way to ruin it.
Oh!
It was really bright.
It was. You think you can get it to pop in midair?
No, I'm not gonna hold it long enough. I'm just gonna throw it.
I'll do it.
Do it!
You'll do it.
Let me do it. Let me do it.
You're drinking.
Let me do it.
Alright, go. How long are you gonna hold it for?
How long do you want me to hold it for?
Count 2 Mississippis and throw.
Yeah.
No,
As
I
high
don't know
as
about two. Screw the Mississippi.
2 Mississippis. 1 Mississippi.
Throw it!
3 Mississippis.
Jesus!
She was like, 1, 2. Okay, okay. One like that.
You're done, dude.
This is like our best one.
Fountain, right?
Yeah, it's a fountain one. The cyclone.
I'm gonna run through it.
Higher! Me and Noel have Roman candles. We're gonna shoot them at each other.
Hey, bro.
Go.
Dude, you're screwed.
Mike didn't lie.
Dude, she dodged like 2. One went right in front of me.
No, and the other one almost hit my head. And I was like, oh.
Dude, the first one was a dud, and then the second one almost got you, and I was like, oh, all I gotta do is line her up, dude.
You actually tried it.
Alright, Johnny, now your turn.
You just wanted to line it up, huh?
Be aware of your surroundings, dude. Oh, bro, that was a tree. Oh, shit.
You almost broke the fucking tree. I I saw the green and the red flare go in the tree, and I was like, fuck this, I'm in my car.
Why'd you run towards the tree?
Johnny's like 6 foot. You aimed like 15 feet. Oh! Last year almost burned our house down. We turned on like 4 of these. Yeah, it wasn't too pretty. I look at it right inside. I'm scared.